everybody, my name is Cory Reed and welcome over to Witt Family Ford in Pulaski. Today we have another deal of the day, and today's deal is a 2023 Ford Bronco. We have thrown some aftermarket accessories on this guy, including those wheels and tires you've seen there, as well as these wheel lips over those aftermarket wheel and tires, and these rock rails here. You do get an aftermarket wheel and tire as a spare as well. And again, this is the deal of the day. So all of these aftermarket accessories are built into our deal. You see the window sticker there, and we are asking $54,420 for this 2023 Ford Bronco. So again, stop on in, give us a call. Just remember to ask to speak with Cory Reed to get something rolling on this. Thank you.